Welcome back, builders. Are you ready to jump into our construction adventure today? Vroom, vroom!
Whoa, look at those big wheels. We've got a dump truck, a digger, and a cement mixer joining the party.
Pop! Pow! Those fireworks mean it's time to test your puzzle skills, team. Uh-oh, the vehicles are missing their pieces. Can you spot the right shape to help them out?
Maybe I should try putting the giant shovel on the cement mixer? That sounds right?
Not quite, silly. Let's look closer at the shadows and pick the perfect match together.
Let's try
this
one.
is an excavator.
Click. Oh,
it has a long arm
no.
with a bucket
Let's
to dig
keep
deep
searching.
holes in the ground.
You're getting
Excavators
warmer.
help with
Try
digging
the
and
other
lifting
piece.
heavy things.
Yes, that's the one. High five. Meet our hard-working digger. See that long arm? It scoops up dirt to help us build big, strong houses.
So strong.
This is a dump truck,
Can
kids.
you reach your arm out?
It carries
and
things
pretend
like
to dig
sand or
just like
dirt.
our friend here.
When it reaches
dig,
the right
dig.
place, the back goes up and everything slides
let's
out.
find the missing cabin for our cement mixer truck. Does it fit here? Let's see. Ting! It's a perfect fit. Great job focusing, everyone. You are absolute puzzle pros.
Mixer truck.
The cement mixer is amazing.
This is a cement mixer, kids.
Big drum
the
to
big
keep
drum
the
spins
concrete
to mix the
soft
cement.
so we can build
When it reaches the
smooth
site,
roads.
the cement is soft and ready to pour.
We did it! All our vehicle friends are back together and ready for work. Boom! Fireworks for you!
Bulldozer.
You were so smart today. Hit that
Kids,
subscribe button
this
to
is a
join our next
bulldozer.
big mission.
It has a big
See you
front
soon,
blade that
super
pushes
builders.
dirt, rocks, or sand. It helps clear land and make the ground flat.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a high-speed mission to fix our brave police fleet.
Whoa! That was a big crash! Quick, call the ambulance! Wee-woo!
Bye-bye.
Oh no, our brave police car lost its pieces. Can you help us put them back together, friends? Look at the shadow. Which part fits perfectly inside? Point your finger at the right one.
2, 1, go!
Click, snap, we did it! Look at that police car shine! Vroom, vroom!
Yes!
Now, let's find the siren. Is it the round one or the square one? You're so smart! Great job matching the police van. It's ready to carry all the important gear.
Beep, beep! Our van is fully assembled and looks absolutely brand new.
Good job.
One last vehicle. This big police SUV needs its wheels. Can you count to 3 with me? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! You fixed the SUV. It's the strongest one on the road today.
Yes!
Look! The skeletons are dancing to celebrate our hard work. You guys are the ultimate puzzle heroes.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Look at these 4 mighty road rollers. Vroom, vroom. Can you help us match them to their secret silhouettes?
Oh, is it this one? Maybe this one? Wait, that's definitely the right spot.
Oops, not quite. That silhouette is a bit different. Let's look closer at the shape, everyone.
Nope. I think the big yellow roller goes here. Wait. Oh man, my eyes are playing tricks on me.
Don't give up. Look at the curves on the roller's drum. Let's try matching that piece again with a steady finger. Almost there, team. Focus on the edges. You are doing such a fantastic job staying persistent. Click. It fits perfectly. You found the right spot. Great job, super puzzle solvers. Woohoo! Welcome back, puzzle explorers. Today we're helping our brave ambulance friends get back on the road. Look at those shiny wheels! They're just waiting to start rolling. Can you help me pick the right ones?
3, 2,
Drag and drop?
1,
Here we go!
go!
Click clack, let's match these wheels to the ambulance. Beep! Beep!
No.
Nope. I bet the wheels need to be square, right? They look so much cooler that way.
Oh, silly! Ambulances need round wheels to roll fast and smooth. Watch them zoom away with the panda.
Vroom vroom. Look at our ambulance go, cruising through the city like a total pro.
Time for another match. Let's find the perfect fit for our little baby's rescue vehicle. You are doing amazing! One last push to finish this puzzle. You've got this! We did it! Everything is fixed and ready for duty. You're a total puzzle superstar. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we are visiting the hospital to meet some very important heroes on wheels.
Whoa, did you see that? Kaboom! Magic ambulances are appearing everywhere.
Look closely at these shadows. What? Can you help me find the right ambulance to fill the empty spot?
Three, 2, 1, go!
You found it! That bright yellow and green ambulance from Qatar is ready to help. Beep, beep! See the medical team inside?
Qatar.
They work so hard to keep everyone
a
safe
wealthy
and
Gulf
healthy.
nation with 3 million people. In Doha, premium Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Toyota Land Cruiser ambulance models are fitted with top-tier equipment, ready to handle emergencies both in the
Vroom
city
vroom.
and across
Look at them
vast
zoom
desert
down the road
landscapes.
to answer an emergency call.
Time for another challenge. Keep your eyes peeled, friends. Which shadow belongs to this speedy helper?
Maldives. Maldives. Finally, welcome to the Maldives, a tropical island paradise with just 500,000 people.
Perfect
Thailand.
fit. That white and green ambulance from Thailand looks absolutely ready for action.
Thailand, the land of smiles with 70 million people. In Bangkok's vibrant streets, ambulances like the Toyota Hiace, Isuzu Elf and Ford Transit serve both the National
Last
Emergency
one.
Network
Let's slide
and
this red and
luxurious
white piece right into the final puzzle slot. Click.
Singapore.
Amazing job. That Singapore ambulance is zooming home. You are all
Singapore.
master puzzle
Singapore,
solvers today.
a cutting-edge island nation of 6 million people. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Volkswagen Crafter ambulances operated by the Singapore Civil Defense Force are sleek.
Welcome to the ultimate puzzle arena. Look at that bright pink mighty truck vrooming along.
Whoa, did you see that robot go boom? That purple truck is looking for a new home.
Our friend is stumped.
Oh my
Can you
God!
help us find the right shape to fill that shadow? Look at those silly dancing kittens. So many vehicles are zooming by, but which one fits the spot? Is it the green tractor? Let's test it out. Click, clack. Let's see if it locks into place.
Wait, the loading bar is moving. Maybe the tractor's a bit too small for this big job.
Now let's try the red truck. Beep, beep. Slide it right into the silhouette. Will it be a perfect match? Try the yellow one next. Sometimes the brightest colors are the secret key to our puzzle.
SpongeBob is here to help. He says the purple truck is the final piece. Pop it in.
Check mark. We did it. That mighty truck is ready for the road again. Confetti time. You guys are puzzle masters. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Welcome back, puzzle explorers. Can you count these 2 rolling tires with me? 1, 2.
Whoa, is that a giant lemon? Oh, wait, it's a super fast yellow tractor. Vroom, vroom.
That's right. It's a hard-working tractor that helps farmers grow our food. It's getting spooky. Look at those skull tires. Do you think they belong to a ghost truck?
Maybe it's a candy truck. I bet it's filled with chocolate bars and gummy
Hell
bears.
yeah!
Not quite. That's a menacing monster truck with a giant eye. Stay back. It looks really grumpy. Look out. The monster truck is using its plow to lift that orange car. That is one strong machine. Uh-oh. Here comes our yellow loader friend. I hope they can be friends instead of fighting.
Such electric sparks everywhere. The yellow loader is brave, but it's time to drive away fast.
Adventure! You all did amazing today, puzzle masters. See you next. Welcome to the ultimate stadium showdown. Vroom, vroom! The monster truck and telehandler are ready to rumble.
Whoa, look at those silly faces. Did our telehandler just grow a smiley face? That's hilarious.
The engines are revving up. Can you count down with us? 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Look at that monster truck fly. He's soaring over the ramp like a pro.
Check out those shades. Our monster truck driver is looking super cool today.
Oh no, the telehandler took a tumble. That was a clumsy jump, buddy. Boom! Fireworks everywhere. The monster truck is the champion of the stadium.
Oops! The telehandler tried again and failed, but he's still trying his best.
What a race! You are amazing viewers today. Hit that subscribe button for more fun. And we'll see you next time. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to build our strongest friend today?
I bet it's a giant race car. Vroom vroom.
Not quite. This is our hard-working digger, and he needs those tracks to move properly.
Oh my God!
Click! That arm locks into place perfectly. Great job, team!
Whoa, look at him!
Look at him go! He turned bright green. He's ready for some serious digging now. Oh my God!
Whoa, he's got a smile. Maybe he's hungry for some dirt, huh?
Huh?
He's showing off his tools. Our digger friend is the most helpful machine on the site. Boom! Fireworks for our champion builder. You all did amazing today. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready for a superpowered adventure today?
Whoa, look at that giant jolly garbage truck rolling in. Vroom vroom.
We have the jolly garbage truck, the hard-working digger, and the mighty crane joining the party. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3.
Zap! Zoe, the magical lightning strike just changed everything.
Oh no! They've turned into mysterious shadows! We need to help them get their colors back. Point your finger at the screen and help me pick the right engine part. Is it this square one or the round one?
Maybe we should try the giant pizza slice. Wait, that doesn't look like a truck part at all.
Nice try! Let's slide that engine piece right into the shadow. Click! Perfect fit! Look at that big wheel spinning into place. Round and round it goes!
Whoa, look at him!
I think the crane arm goes on the top. Does it look right to you, friends?
You're doing amazing! Just a few more pieces left to make our trucks shine bright again. Almost there. Keep going, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Let's finish this. Ta-da! They look brand new. Great job helping our truck friends get ready for work.
Whoa, look at him!
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle heroes. You guys are the best. See you next time.
Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready for a high-speed adventure today?
Whoa! Look at those fire trucks! Can you find the matching shadow friends?
Look! Our brave owl firefighters are hopping into their colorful uniforms!
No.
Zoom! That red truck is ready for action. Everyone shout go with me!
Love you.
You did it! Those heroic fire trucks are all lined up and ready to save the day. Oh, a mystery in the desert! Can you spot where the police car wheels belong?
Three, two, one, go!
Click, clack, snap! Let's put these doors on. It's like building a real-life puzzle.
Yay!
Look at those twinkling stars! Our police fleet looks absolutely fantastic.
Vroom! Watch them go! The brave police cars are patrolling the desert sands. What? Oh no!
Time for more matching. Can you help us find the ambulance missing siren?
Three, two, one.
Beep beep! Our kind ambulance needs its wheels. Point to the right ones, quickly. Steady now. Snap the ladder into place. Perfect.
That fire truck is ready for duty.
3, 2, 1, go! No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hooray! The ambulance and fire truck are complete! You are truly master puzzle solvers. What an epic parade! Thank you for playing, heroes. See you next time for more fun.
What the hell?
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we are on a super mission with our brave police car friends.
Whoa! Did you see that? Boom! Things just got really exciting, didn't they?
Wait, are those puppies and a kitty cat driving the police cars? That is just too silly. Time to match. Can you help our hedgehog friend find the right parts for these police cruisers? Point to the screen.
Nope. Oops, that piece is a bit too big. Let's try another one, quick, before the timer runs out.
Good job.
Amazing!
Click, perfect fit. Our kitty friend is cheering because you found the right spot. You are doing great.
Good job.
Ta-da! All the pieces are in place. These police cars look absolutely ready for patrol duty now.
No! God!
Nope.
Look at that real Norway police car go. Vroom, vroom. It's patrolling the city streets to keep everyone safe.
Designed for all terrains, from snowy mountains to coastal roads. It's a symbol of trust, peace, and modern Scandinavian engineering.
I think that Singapore police car is the fastest one yet. See how shiny and bright it is?
This is the Singapore police car. Sleek, white, and high-tech, it patrols the clean and modern city-state with efficiency and advanced technology.
And
He's the
here is our
Sweden
final
police car.
friend, the Swedish police car cruising down the highway. What a cool blue and yellow design!
Strong and safe, it handles icy roads and city traffic with ease, representing the calm and order of Swedish society.
You are a master puzzle solver. Give yourselves a big round of applause, everyone. See you next time.